Hello, junior students. I want to introduce you to a fabulous Canadian music resource. It's called Music Play. The site is called Music Play Online. And I want you to find your grade and simply click on it. And then we can go to this game here. This is what I want you to play. It's called Which Rhythm Do You Hear? We click on it. This page loads up. All I want you to do is play game number 1 and play game number 2. Remember, so if I click on this, we've got here just ta's and TT's for game number 1. This is ta, TT, ta, ta. This one would be ta, TT, TT, ta. And this one would be TT, ta, ta, ta. So then we press play. I'll play it again. And we can clearly see that it's ta, TT, ta, ta. This would be the one. Great. Does that make sense? So play this one, play this game through until you've done all 10. And then you can go on to this one and it simply adds our quarter rest here. So let's check this one out. Ta, TT, rest, ta. Or we've got ta, rest, TT, ta. Or ta, rest, ta, ta. Let's hear it. One more time. Okay, sounds like ta, TT, rest, ta to me. Sure enough, there it is. Okay, does that make sense? I hope that you're doing very, very well, and I hope that you're being helpful at home. Take care.